what's inside this choice, I guess?
Well, I just feel like I get torn in two different pieces, trying to please my family and my friends, but then also trying to be motivated to choose a career, which I still don't know what I want to do.
Yeah. Even as you say that, there's a sort of sense that we're entering into a kind of a chattery world. Do you feel as though we're kind of getting into a worried
Yeah,
space? Like,
yeah,
like if we were to just do it metaphorically, like how close are your thoughts about, am I doing the right thing? If we use distance as a metaphor for how close they are, I have a sense that they're right up
yeah,
here.
yeah,
Okay.
blinding.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. And that is that a pretty familiar place to be?
Yeah,
Right.
yeah,
So, and not just in this area, right?
no,
With
probably
other,
not.
yeah, with other decisions and choices. So it's just worth noticing that, that's kind of how your mind works. It's probably trying
Right.
to help you out here, but it's doing something that's probably pretty familiar. Well, what would happen if we kind of just sort of noticed more openly
Mm-hmm.
what your mind's doing, and also just what's showing up for you in your body and your emotions
Yeah.
as we look at this? I could, yeah, nice. I can notice you're kind of almost holding it there,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
this decision has to be made now.
yeah.
So come back to it now and just sort of watch your mind kind of come up like this, and see if we can just kind of watch it there.
Okay.
So you do have a choice to make. There's only one. I mean, life is finite, and you don't get to do everything.
Right.
All right,
Yeah.
and that's a little scary.
Yeah.
And so, what does your mind start saying to you?
Well, I feel like every time I make a positive decision to go one way, it's leaving another thing behind, and then I hold on to the thing that I'm going to be missing out
Okay,
on.
yeah, exactly. So just before, don't grab that because
Okay,
it'll pull
sorry.
right up close. Just sort of notice that.
Okay.
And would that be okay to have that sort of sense of, I don't know if I made the right decision? Like
Well,
what's inside that? Would it be okay to have that thought?
it's scary
Yeah,
to not know,
yeah, it is.
but I mean, I
And,
guess I don't really have control over that.
okay. And could we sort of open up to, it is a little scary. When you make choices, you open some doors and you close others.
Yeah.
And even that sense of it's scary, is that okay?
Yeah.
There's something like not supposed to happen here when you make career choices? Is it not supposed to have any scariness to it?
Well, it is scary,
It is,
so.
yeah, yeah. So let's see if we can just kind of open up to that that's okay too. You're not doing anything wrong here. It's not an indication something like bad is happening.